Hello everyone. Today we are going to repair fuel lid actuator of Volkswagen Polo Vento. It's same for all Volkswagen cars. Look, it is supposed to be locked when your car is locked, but it is not working. So we'll see how to repair it. Not replace it, repair it. Tools what you're gonna need for the job is a brush or a cloth to wipe off the dust from the fuel lid, and this is torque screwdriver, different bits. That's the main tool for the job. You just have to unscrew one torque screw. Open your fuel lid. You have to open this screw right here. Screw removed. Then remove the diesel cap. Place a piece of rag inside your diesel inlet so that no dust can get inside. And then pull it from here, it's rubber one portion, and you have to little wiggle it so that it can come out. Come back in a second. And this whole piece will come out like one complete unit. You just have to pull this hose out from here. Your fuel lid cover out of the way. Don't pull this hose completely out because it will be a pain to insert it back in position again. This is how your fuel lid actuators look like. If you closely analyze your actuator, you will see on the back side there is a hole. You can actually put oil for the lubrication of the locking pin. What you're gonna need for lubrication of this actuator is WD-40 with this spray pipe, which can go inside the hole of this actuator. Put this pipe inside and spray a little bit of WD-40 inside it. Place the actuator on the notches again. And test it properly before putting everything back on. Now we have to put it back on again. First connect the pipe that is lying there. I need both my hands. Drain pipe connected. Place this portion in first. Place the rubber boot onto the filling pipe. Now press it into its position. It's done now. Put the screw back on and you are done. A check of what we did. Good to go.